Hello everyone, I Sudeepti, a mental fitness and transformation coach, is once again here with another topic of the day and with a lot of positivity for all of you. So before I move on to the topic, I would like to share one incident of mine which recently happened with me this Saturday. And what happened was that somewhere around in last week, everyone around me and my friends, everyone was talking about health and fitness. So I felt that yes, health is important, and yes, I do believe that health is important, and I love myself. So my fitness is really very important because all of you guys love me and I love myself too. So I need to take care of myself. So I thought of preparing a routine. I prepared an exercise routine and then I started following it. So Thursday I did it completely. Friday I did it, and then on Saturday, since I knew that there will not be any call from my office colleagues or someone, so what I felt was काहे की चिंता किस रूटीन को रोइए, आराम बड़ी चीज़ है, मुंह ढक के सोइए. So I felt it like that way, and I took my blanket and I was just sleeping, enjoying dreams, everything. So somewhere around late, around 10:30 or somewhere, I woke up. I got ready, and after having breakfast, it was around 1ish. So I felt like there was some feeling in my heart, and I was feeling kuch kuch hota hai. So it was a kind of pain which I was feeling within me, that Sudeepti ji, today this was not done, this was not the rule of the game. And I was really feeling bad that since last 2-3 days I was on my routine and I was not keeping a track of my progress. So this is something which has taken a toll on me, and some kuch hota hai was happening in my heart, and I was regretting, I was feeling a guilt that I should have not done this. So in order to avoid this kind of things, one should actually track progress. So this is my today's topic, that track your progress. So in case if you have decided something to make this $1 billion person a very happy and jolly and happy-go-lucky person, if you have planned something to make this person happy, then please track your progress and check whether you are moving in right direction or not. So in case if we are moving in right direction, then give a green signal and say go ahead boss. But in case if you feel like that you are dicey, that you may deviate or you may have done something wrong, just like I did, I immediately reconciled, and in the evening I maintained the diet that day, and I did my exercise routine in the evening that day, and I recorrected myself. So I gave myself orange signal and I recorrected my actions, and I moved on into the right direction. Or in case if you already the day has passed and then you are taking the action, then give yourself a red signal that okay, this is the final and last warning. This day it has happened, that's okay, you are allowed to make mistakes, but from tomorrow onwards you will be back on routine. So that's how you can track your progress. And you have seen a child. So what happens when a child makes some mistake? What a mother does? A mother generally, nowadays mothers are quite loving, so they don't scold their babies. What they do is they explain them politely that beta, this is not right, you shouldn't have done it this way and you should do it this way. So they explain it very politely, they make them understand that what is right and what is wrong. Similarly, this time your brainchild and heart has done some mistake. So what you have to do is you have to handhold this child, this mind, and you have to tell this baby of yours that it's okay, you have made the mistake, but from now onwards I will be Salman Khan. अब commitment कर दिया तो किसी की नहीं सुनेंगे. So I'll commit and then I will follow. So when you actually, why it needs to be done? Because pain of self-discipline is much better than the pain of regret and hurt. So I have felt that, and I'm sure everyone must have come across that little uh, heartbeats and anxiety and guilt, that something they could have done but they haven't done it, they should have done but they haven't done it. So in order to avoid that guilt and pain, one should track their progress. One should also track their progress in order to bring a pride feeling that, okay, this is something I committed for my happiness and I am doing it because this is my life and I am responsible for this life. It is me who has to take charge of this life. I committed and I am doing it. So I feel proud of myself that I am doing something to make myself feel happy. And this gives another message to our brain that this person is really important and I love this person. And since I love myself, I take care of myself, so I protect myself from all the guilt and negativity. Right? So this message goes to your brain. And then another benefit which happens when you track your progress is there are a lot of people around you who are looking at you, who are counting on you, who are observing you and following you. Maybe your siblings, maybe your parents, maybe your friends, they are keeping an eye on you. So there may be a possibility that you may have taken a routine and your friends may do leg pulling, but then that's okay. Once they'll see that you are consistent and persistent on your efforts, their leg pulling will get converted automatically into respect, and they will gradually join you in order to fulfill this goal, or maybe they'll join you that we also would like to pursue our goals, right? And so these are the benefits which one can have. And yes, since I'll keep myself happy, I'll be tracking the progress, so I will remain self-motivated. So which is a happiest and joyful feeling one can ever have, to understand that I love myself, right? So I have explained that why this is important, why tracking our progress is important even in the small steps of life, or maybe in the bigger goals of life, in order to fulfill the purpose of life. Now let's understand that how we need to track the progress in a very simple way. So the very first step which you have to take is that you have to think on paper. Yes, you have to think on paper. Why think on paper is you just need to because when you just keep it in your mind, there are 60,000 thoughts which are going on in your mind, and maybe a possibility when you are actually supposed to pursue your steps for the day, you may get some other task in your hand, so you may deviate from your routine. So it's always good to write on a paper. This is one reason. And the second reason why you need to think on paper is that you get emotionally connected with what you have committed. So take a paper, write on it what is it that you want, write all the things on it, and then fold the paper and keep it under your pillow and sleep. No way, you need not to do it, because remember, pain of self-discipline is much better than pain of regret, right? So you need not fold it and keep it under your pillow. What you are supposed to do is you have to take a paper, first step. Second step, you have to put a start date, you have to put an end date. And firstly, the very first step which you need to do in order to change your habits or learn something new is take a challenge of 21 days. Only 21 days challenge. So when you take 21 days challenge, it becomes really easy to get rewards and recognition of achieving the goal, right? So take a 21-day challenge, put a start date, put an end date to it, and then write like what is it that I can decide for myself. What are the goals? Like what are the actions, small actions which I can take on a daily basis, through which I can move into the right direction. So for example, since we know that if our mind is working right, then everything will come into right direction. If our mind is on a right track, we can achieve any bigger or smaller goal. So, and these days everyone is so stressed, and we all are into habit of speaking all kind of negatives and bullshit against ourselves. We don't need someone else. Believe me, we don't need someone else to bully us. We ourselves are sufficient. So how? We tell us that whatever I eat, even if I'm drinking water, my fat is increasing. Even if I'm drinking water, my my tummy is coming out, or maybe I don't know what is happening. My weight is increasing. Nothing is happening. Nothing is working out in life. I am feeling bored. Come on, you are feeling bored in your company. Are you so boring that you are feeling bored in your company? You need mobile. You need different applications to entertain this person who is there in the mirror. You are getting bored with yourself. Then pick up your phone and say thank you to all your friends and family members. Why? Because they were entertaining you, they were bearing with you since so many years, and you are such a boring person. So please don't feel boring. Spend some time with yourself and write in it that from today onwards, for next 21 days, I will not speak anything against myself. Just take this simple commitment for yourself, that for next 21 days I will not speak anything against myself. Just this simple commitment, right? And what am I supposed to do is, I just need to focus on my thought process. In whatever I am doing, keep doing it, but just not need to think against myself, right? So whole day, suppose I am doing my work, I am doing gossiping with friends, or I am doing some kind of work at home, household chores, or maybe I am doing some kind of office work, if I am writing a mail, anything I am doing, but I am focused that I am not thinking against myself. And suddenly your mother or somewhere from the family, someone comes and says something which is not making you feel good, then you may start feeling negative, and that's absolutely okay. In case if you have felt and then suddenly you realize, oh shit, since morning I was thinking it in the right way, and now I have thought one negative point for myself. Oof, I have ruined. No, you have not. At least for half day you were thinking positive about yourself, and it is a progress, believe me. Yesterday you were thinking n number of things against yourself, and today half day passed and you didn't said even a single thought or a word against you. So it is a nice progress. So once your this day is completed, at the end of the day, keep this paper where you have written this routine somewhere on the wall where you can see it like a medicine. Subah, dopahr, sham, morning, afternoon and evening you have to watch it, so that it reminds you that you have to pursue your action step for the day, right? Or else what you can do is, you can take help of your mobile and use reminders which can tell you after every 3 hours that, boss, please complete your task for the day. Or maybe you can ask your friend or your mother or anyone from your family to become your accountability partner and help you to pursue your task which you have committed for yourself, right? And then the moment you finish your task, just go towards this paper, put a tick mark and write it. Put a tick mark and write it. Half day successful. If it is a half day, fine. Half day successful. I am successful. I am progressive. Next day, ensure that this day has to be a full day successful. And now you will focus on that. And slowly and gradually you will see, the more tick marks come on that paper, the more motivated, self-motivated, self-driven you will become, and you will not need anyone else to make you feel motivated, because you are watching the track of your life, that you are moving in right direction. And since you are not thinking against you, you will start getting the creative ideas in your mind. That what else? Because universe is also watching whether you are committed towards your commitment or not. And when universe watches you that you are committed towards your commitment and you are consistently, persistently taking action, then the whole universe conspires for you. सारी कायनात आपको आपके गोल से मिलने की साजिश करती है. मैंने नहीं कहा. Shahrukh Khan has said in Om Shanti Om that the whole, once you are consistent and persistent towards achievement of your goal, the whole universe conspires in your favor and bring that goal towards you. So you will start attracting a lot of creative ideas in your life, once you are moving into right direction, once you are stress free, once you are not thinking against yourself. And believe me, since you are putting a tick mark and you are writing, I am successful, half day successful, I am productive, daily I am becoming successful, you will see that your confidence will raise, because your commitment is getting fulfilled. You will feel proud of yourself, and you will feel that you must have seen that the people who commit and then fulfill it have more credibility in their personal and professional life. So you will be attracting more people and appreciations towards you. So lot of benefits will come once you just handle this mind, because it's all mind game. Life is all about mind game. So if your mind is in the right direction, then you can win any battle of your life, because everything is dealt from your mind. So with this tip, I believe that I have added some value to your life. Do mention in the comment that what value I have added to your life and how my videos are benefiting you. Do let me know. In case if you are requiring any kind of support, I will think about it and will share my experiences and would try to bring more positivity and happiness in your life. Thank you so much. Keep growing.